Hey everyone! Today we are going to explain how to add signatures in Crew Pro. It's important to add the required signatures to your task as they are necessary to complete it successfully. To do this, in the Task Summary page, scroll down to the Signatures section at the bottom. Once there, tap the pen icon to add both your signature and the customer's. The disclaimers are meant for the customer to read and accept by checking the boxes. Below them, you'll find the space for the customer's signature. They can sign directly in the box or tap the Enlarge Signature button for a larger signing area. Next to the customer's signature, you'll find the field for your own signature. You can also pre-save your signature from the app settings, so you don't have to sign manually each time you complete a task. Once both signatures have been collected, tap Done, and that's it. That's how easy you can gather all necessary signatures to complete your tasks in Crew Pro. Keep exploring the app and discover everything it can do for you. See you in the next tutorial.